okay, the windmill exercise. So it's a great exercise to train multiplanar movement and encourage overhead stability. All you're going to do, position your feet slightly outside shoulder width, okay, hold a kettlebell in one hand and press it overhead. From here, making sure that you're creating that external torque, pressing your big toe into the ground and rotating and twisting the floor apart slightly just to get a little bit of stability in the hips. You're going to look up to the weights, keep your eyes on the weight at all time and keep your elbow fully extended. From here, you're going to push your hips off to one side, okay? Imagine pushing them out to the side and backwards slightly at a roughly 45-degree angle towards the weight. And then you're going to take the other hand and reach down towards the floor. Now, it's important that you reach down on the inside of the supporting, on the inside of the opposite leg, never to the outside, okay? If you push out to the outside, you don't necessarily get the same stability around the hip, yet if you push to the inside, you'll have to create that little bit of abduction in the other leg, in the opposite leg, which will give you that stability. You're going to reach down towards the ground, aiming to get as close to the floor as possible. You should feel a stretch throughout your hamstrings and challenging the stability of your shoulder. From here, once you touch the ground, you're going to slowly stand back up again and think about extending the hips as you do. You should actually get a decent amount of glute activation at the top position of this. Again, maintaining overhead stability at all times. With this exercise, start nice and light to begin with and then gradually progress in order to challenge and reinforce overhead stability.